Good morning, guys. Oh, it's not morning already, it's afternoon. Well, I just spotted all these pigeons here. Well, I'm here in the Georgetown. Look at them. There's a lot of pigeons here. Yeah? Wow. Good to see them. See? They don't even bother if people are walking. Look at them. That's why. Oh no, so nice. See? Well, I'm on my way to the bus stand and I spotted all these. So nice. Very nice. God. So many of them. Look. I even go closer, but still they not bother. Oh, very nice. And guys, I'm here in the truck. Then you can see the big hotel here. It's the George. It looks like a mansion. So beautiful. Because I want to buy something and I just spotted here. Why not? It looks like it's going to rain again. Look at the George Hotel. Never been here, but outside it's very beautiful. Like a white mansion. Oh guys, look at that. I'm walking through the bus. As you can see, I think this is Pineapple. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Line clear, you know, every time I pass by there are a lot of people queuing. Oh, there is also Hard Rock here. Hard Rock Hotel. No, it's not Hard Rock Hotel. It's a Hard Rock train. So, guys, you can see, not bad. Main road now is improving, and some of the shops. Oh, there's a spa over there. Island Wellness Spa. Looks like going to rain. And this is the Family Darling Dessert Shop. That made me need to try. One thing here is always got a lot. Okay guys, my bus is here. Until here, I'm almost on my bus station. Okay guys, like and share and also subscribe. Bye. Comment down below.